name is Trista Ainsworth, and I am a professional organizer with Joyful Minimalism. Today, I want to welcome you to day 6 of our personal growth journey through our lives and our homes. Today is about letting go and trusting. Today is about letting go, and often when we're on a personal growth journey, our ego is kind of rebellious. It wants to hang on and it has trouble letting go because it's insecure. It doesn't like change. And so you can feel that you have resistance to letting go of things or situations or routines, or change is difficult for you. But you are on this path, and so you know that it is important to let go. However, your ego is like, hey, wait a minute, what's going on? Why is all this happening? And so you'll feel a resistance to some things that you really, really want to change. And that's okay. It's just a natural part of the process. Home, it's important to know that letting go is a slow and steady progress. It's okay not to do everything on your list in one day. Have patience and be kind to yourself. Letting go is a process, and you will feel resistance here and there along the way. But that's just your ego hanging on, and it's just feeling resistance. But you can take things slowly, one step and one day at a time, and this will help you through this process. Today is to let go of the shoulds in your life. So oftentimes we hang on to physical objects, for example, notes from workshops or books or references that we're never really going to look at again. But hanging on to them makes us feel like, oh my gosh, I need to do that, and it just makes us feel like we need to do work all the time. By letting go of these items, you're allowing yourself to go on a different path, which is a beautiful thing. So I encourage you to make a list of those things that you feel resistance to. Kind of make a resistance list and just be curious about what those things are. They can be activities, they can be letting go of things, they can be changing your routine, and just be curious and see what comes up for you. I look forward to seeing you next week for day 7. Have a wonderful day.